Did you know that you don't need to have a huge following in order to make money on TikTok? In fact, some methods work even if you currently have 0 followers or experience. Today I will share with you the 8 ways you can use TikTok to make money right now. So let's get right into it. The first method is my favorite one, and I think it's also the most popular one now, which is TikTok Shop Affiliate. This is when you promote someone else's products that are listed on the TikTok Shop. In case you don't know what exactly this is, whenever you're scrolling through TikTok and when you see that there's a product linked to a video on the bottom, those are TikTok Shop Affiliate videos. And whenever someone buys that product through your videos, you earn a percentage of that sale. There are countless people that I know that are making tens of thousands of dollars monthly just from this as beginners. This is an amazing method because you don't need to create your own products. You can think of this as simply reviewing the product and sharing your thoughts on them. And if someone watches your TikTok and end up purchasing the item, then you'll get credit for it. I have an entire playlist of over 40 videos all about TikTok Shop Affiliate that explains everything you need to know, from finding winning products to creating proven content that works. I will link that down for you in the description below. The second way to make money on TikTok is to become a TikTok Shop seller. This is when you sell your own physical products directly on TikTok, and people can buy without leaving the app. The reason why TikTok Shop has been so effective is because when people shop on TikTok, it's such a seamless experience. When they see something they like, they click on it and they can check out and purchase it in just a few clicks. Not to mention, the trend of social shopping is definitely huge right now. So with this method, you can create a product and have the TikTok Shop affiliate to help you promote it. You would just need to give them a cut of the sale, but you will still keep most of the profit. And the best part about this is that there are actually ways where you don't even need to pre-purchase or hold an inventory yourself, so you literally have 0 risk. What you need to do is to find a reliable local supplier that has good high quality products and can offer fast shipping. Because TikTok does require you to ship out the products within 2 business days of receiving the orders, so it's super important to have a supplier that can accommodate this. You can get started with this in 4 simple steps. The first step is to apply for a TikTok seller account. This is very easy to do. You just need to go to this website and sign up for a TikTok business account. The sign up process is very straightforward, but if you need step-by-step guidance, I have a tutorial on that as well. I will link that video for you below. The second step is to launch your online store. The online store platform that I personally use and recommend is Shopify. They make starting and running an online store super easy. You can get it up and running within a few minutes. Next step is to connect your TikTok shop with your online store platform. You can easily do this with a Shopify app called ZCommerce. And lastly, either create the content yourself to make sales or recruit affiliates to help you create the content for you. As usual, I have a full tutorial that guides you through step by step on how to do all of this for free. So you can find it below in the description. So I listed these 2 methods first because I think they're the best ones. And TikTok is pushing product videos very heavily. That means if you're creating videos around promoting products, you can tap into the extra boost in your account. Number 3 way to make money on TikTok is with the TikTok Creativity Program. This used to be called the Creative Fund. You basically can get paid for your views on the platform. TikTok pays you for views on videos that are over 1 minute long. So as long as your videos are being watched, you are getting paid for those views. Here's what you need to qualify for the Creativity Program. You need to have at least 10,000 followers, and you need to have 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. And once you become eligible, you can start earning passive income just by being active on the platform. So that's pretty sweet. Method number 4 to make money on TikTok is through brand sponsorships. This is when a brand pays you to promote their products on your page. How much you can charge typically depends on your audience size and also your account's engagement. Brands will reach out to you once you build up a decent following. And to attract sponsors, it's good to focus on building a niche audience. For example, if you're into fitness, then post content that appeals to people who are into fitness. Because many brands prefer to work with smaller creators that have a clear niche following than a bigger creator who doesn't. And the reason being is because niche creators tend to have a more engaged and loyal audience, which leads to a higher trust and also conversion rates for the brand's product or services. The next method to make money on TikTok is with user-generated content, or UGC. This is perfect if you don't have a big following. Basically, this is when brands hire you to create videos for them. You don't even need to post these videos on your own account. You only need to create the content for the brand and usually they will post it on their own account or use it for advertisements. This is a method that you can start with $0. The most important thing to be successful with this is to have a good understanding about consumer psychology. A good starting point to learn about consumer psychology is this book called Cashvertising. It talks about the real driving force behind why people buy things, the 17 foundational principles of consumer psychology, as well as the 41 practical proven techniques that you can apply right away to your messaging to get better results. So if you're serious and want to become an expert at marketing, then this is a must-read book. After you're done with the book, you will know more on marketing than 99% of people. So I definitely highly recommend this. And then what you want to do is to pick a niche that you like talking about already and just start posting content about it and keep getting better at creating content. As you grow, brands will find you and start reaching out. When you become really good at this skill, it's not uncommon for brands to pay you a monthly retainer fee, and on top of that, you'll get commission on every sale that you generate. So there's no cap on how much money you can potentially earn with this method. I know people who have started this as a side hustle at first, and then eventually grew it into a full-time income, and now making tens of thousands of dollars in profit every single week. Method number 6 is to make money on TikTok is with live stream. As you build up your TikTok account a little bit and have at least 1,000 followers, you can start making money on TikTok live streams. Viewers can send you virtual gifts that you can convert into real money. Going live is a great way to connect and engage your audience, and also you can promote products while you're live streaming, which could be another revenue stream. You can host Q&A sessions, tutorials, or simply demonstrate how you use a certain product. Those convert extremely well for many creators. Plus, TikTok tends to boost your account overall when you go live, so that's definitely a win-win. Next method is by selling your own products or services. TikTok is one of the best places to promote your products or services because you're able to create content on a certain topic, build an audience organically, talk about their pain points, and eventually offer your products to them as the solution. You can sell either physical products or digital products. Digital products like ebooks or courses or even memberships, they are great because you can create them once and you can sell it unlimited times. If you offer a service like coaching or consulting, then TikTok is a great place to showcase your expertise, create helpful content, and people will naturally want to work with you. The last method to monetize your TikTok is by licensing your videos. This means you sell the rights to your viral videos to media companies. You see, when you have a video that goes viral, many media companies will be willing to pay you for the rights to use your content on their platform. How much you can get paid depends on what they offer and also what you negotiate with them. So if one of your videos takes off and a media company reaches out to you, that might be an opportunity to consider this monetization method because it could be a really great passive income stream. There you have it. Those were the 8 ways to make money on TikTok. You don't need to have a big following to start. You are not too late, and none of it is overly saturated. Just pick one method and take action. And trust me, you'll be surprised how quickly things can grow. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next one.